Alright, this is a 2003 Mitsubishi Eclipse GTS. Having issues with the motor mount and possibly something else. This video is here to show the cold start and the sound it makes when it starts up in the cold. As you can see, there's just no on the ground. Sounds like it's coming from inside. Sounds terrible, like a timing cover. I'm reading online, people just say that's what the Eclipse does when it's cold. And it goes away after it warms up. But I'll turn it off and try again. Not as loud this time. If I turn it off again and try, usually does it 3 or 4 times before it goes away. It's almost gone. Now it's gone. No sound or anything.